Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the factors affecting the selection of any location for plant. If you start any business, you wish to start any unit for manufacturing or for the purpose of the service. Certain factors you should keep in mind for establishing the unit as well as for the location selection. The location is that place where you wish to establish your unit. The factors associated with the location you have to keep in mind because a business is not only associated with the finance, marketing, but it is also associated with the location. If your location is not good, that means you are going to be in loss. It may be the problem for you. So, here, the individual or the organization which is going to establish a unit, they have to take in consideration whether the raw material is available in the nearby area or not. In business, raw material play a vital role. It depends upon the business to business as well as organization to organization which type of raw material is required for the production. Here, the organizational leader or the entrepreneur or the team has to take in consideration that the raw material should be available timely. Quantity should be appropriate. There should not be more blockage over there. Then in case of problem, the alternatives should be analyzed. So here the organization should keep in mind whether the raw material is available or not and what are the alternatives for that particular raw material. The organizational leader has to take in consideration that whether the proper labor is available in that area or not. If the labor is not available in that area, then that may be harmful for the organization because here the organizational leader has to take in consideration that if there is no skilled workers, there is no that workers with the proper knowledge awareness, that may be harmful. Again, the cost of the labor. What will be the cost of labor at the time of the production? And when which type of labor will be required, that labor will be that decided or need to be decided that the entrepreneur at the time, different time available. The individual has to take into consideration that which type of market is available. The organizational leader has to take in consideration that which type of product they are making for this product, which type of raw material they require, which type of item they are going to produce with this material, and whether the market is available over there or not. If the market is not available, then again it will be also harmful for the organization. So the organization leader has to take in consideration that the production and the distribution should be connected well so that the product should be available to the customer at appropriate time. Here there should be the proper communication in the different area. Although we are talking about the communication facility through the 4G, 5G, 6G as well as that different type of communication are available. But all these communications depend upon the area we are running the business, whether this type of communication is available in those areas or not. This type of facility is available in those areas or not. Some areas are remote. That in those remote areas, the leader has to take in consideration that the connectivity with those areas should be appropriate not only in the communication but to the transport. Which transport is required, whether we require the transport, road transport, rail transport, air transport, or water transport. Which type of transport is required, and accordingly this type of transport the individual or the organization has to take in consideration this is associated with us, and according to that we require this type of transport, and that transport should be available in that area. And again, the cost of the transport. What is the cost of the transport? Individual has to take this in consideration, whether the electricity is available or not. Although in the present time we are talking about the electricity, or we are using the electricity, we have the alternate sources of electricity also. Generators are there, as well as the different facilities are available. Alternatives are available or not. Again, the coal is used in some areas. Whether we talk about the coal, that this coal is available in the some area, that it is associated with the iron, it is associated with the steel. In this area, coal is required. So, according to the type of production, the entrepreneur should keep in mind that the power as well as the fuel should be available in that area. As well as in case of the problem, whether alternatives are available or whether there is the proper connectivity of the power or the proper availability of the power is there or not. Which type of climatic condition is there? The individual has to take in consideration that according to their production, the climate condition should be observed. The cotton require that some humid. So whether your area is having the humid environment, or according to the type of product, that if the product require high temperature, whether in your area that type of temperature is available or not. According to the climatic condition, the individual has to estimate whether the proper resources of capital is available over there. When we talk about the capital, whether it is associated with that the finance which is available in the market, and what is the rate of the finance. What is the rate of the finance in consideration that the low rate of finance should be available, less risk should be there, and benefit may be associated with the economically backward areas, states which are giving some rebate in some capital, that should be taken in consideration. External economies are taken in mind, whether there is the proper transport is there, whether proper warehousing is available or not available over there, whether there is the proper banking facilities available or over there or not, whether there is the raw materials available over there or not, whether there is the proper communications, the standards are available or not. Apart from that, the individual personal factor. Some people find out that where they are living, they should establish their unit in that area. But that depends upon the individual demand, product demand. Some people don't want to leave their place, so they find out that their local area is better for the business, because they are thinking that there is better linkage of them in those areas. So the organization or the business person has to take this in consideration. But it is not always true that the local areas are beneficial only. The business leader or the entrepreneur has to take this consideration for the business in other areas also. There is the strategic aspect is there. Which type of strategic aspect should be kept in mind here? The leader has to take in consideration that which type of law facility is available in that area, whether there is the proper judiciary is available, proper the system is available, safety is available in the areas, as well as that the which type of politics is there, whether in the state or in that the area where the individual start to business, then in that area whether the stable politics is available over there or not. The government policies, when the location is decided, the individual has to take in consideration that according to the government scheme which is fruitful in some area, like nowadays the government is planning to establish the tourism in some area and they are giving some rebate in Uttar Pradesh as well as in Uttarakhand. The rebate is given by the government in some areas, so the entrepreneur has to take in consideration that which type of rebate is available, whether this rebate will be fruitful for them or not, whether they can get the benefit in those areas. Apart from that, the individual has to take in consideration the housing facility in that area, not only for themselves but for the employees, for the people who are coming in the organization for the purchasing, etc., as well as the medical facility available over there or not, schooling facilities available or not, as well as recreation facilities available or not, as well as he has to take in consideration the banking facility available. So when the organization is working in the different area, the individual has to take in consideration whether we are able to identify those things or not. So here the person associated with the location. Now the question arises where this unit should be established. That the factors for selection of any site. Site means that the particular location. If any site you are going to select, there should be the proper connectivity of the transport. Not only your transport but also for the transportation of that raw material, transportation of the finished good, transportation of the people who are associated with that. Whether there is the proper raw material is available or not, and for how much time raw material is available, for how much time we require the raw material, and what is the frequency of the raw material, whether the alternatives are available or not, the individual has to take in consideration in those areas. Apart from that, if we are going to establish a unit associated with the chemical, then the wastewater disposable facility is available or not, because that play a vital. Apart from that, the facility associated with the pollution, whether the pollution control aspect is there or not, which type of benefit that the individual will be getting in some areas over there. There should be the less congestion of the houses, less congestion of the traffic in the area. So individual has to take in consideration that the routing of a particular place, should be appropriate. Your vehicle coming in that area, people coming in that area should not get some interest, or they can get the less hindrances that will be beneficial for them. The size of the plot you are going to purchase, the size of the plot should be like that in case of emergency you can expand, you can increase the size of the plot. That means that there should be the scope of the availability of the other plot nearby area or in that area, because that will be reducing the cost of the production in that area, as well as the rules associated with the municipality, as well as rules associated with the establishment of the unit. As we have discussed, that these things should be kept in mind, whether the labor is available over there. If the labor is not available, then that will be also a harmful issue. So here we have discussed that when you are going to establish a unit, what factors you should keep in mind for selection of a particular location as well as selection of a particular site. Thank you.